Hello students, very good morning to all of you. Myself Deepak Kumar Kusti from Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada branch. Students, today I am going to discuss the second chapter of lesson 2 of class 9. That is our building a self-confidence. Okay students, so building a self-confidence means how to build your self-confidence. In our country, in our state, in our public places, local or global places, you can see so many students have not the confidence. If you have no confidence, then you cannot do any type of this work. Even if a small work also you are feeling it is very difficult to finish. Okay students, the students come to the first self-confidence. What do you mean by self-confidence? The student, self-confidence is a state of mind. Okay students, it is the state of mind. That means it is purely based on your brain, based on your mind, but not the set of rules. But not the set of rules. Okay, students. So, building a self-confidence is a state of mind. Means what you think, what you want to apply, which type of people you want to talk, and which side you want to go, what you want to do. This type of all these things, it will particularly keep in your mind. Okay, but not required to follow the some of the rules. Yes or no? That means for your mind, no, don't follow any type of rules. But it is particularly in your mind, you think that one. Okay, student. Now how to make self-confidence in your mind. For that, students, first of all, what will you do? Believe ourselves. Believe ourselves. Believe ourselves. First of all, you believe. Okay? If you what you do the work or not, that is the different thing. Suppose keep it in the outside, but believe in yourself first of all. Okay, students. Then first of all, believe ourselves. Okay, students. Then think positive. Think positive. Okay, students. Always try to do things with positive. If you are thinking the positive, then what type of work cannot be done by you, that type of work also you will do must. Okay, students. So that's why think positive. If any type of the people they are telling negative, you take that one as a positive. Don't take any type of the negative. If your parents, your teachers, your colleagues, your elders, they are telling something for you, don't take any type of the negative. Always be positive. For positive also, it will make the self-confidence in your mind. Okay, students. Then students, another one is your suppose past experience. Past experience. Okay, sir. That means what? In the past, what you have already completed the work. If it is good, then it will be automatically good in the present and future also. If it was the bad, then don't think that bad thing, that past. Don't be thinking on the present. Don't do think in the future also. Because if you think that type of the experience in the present and future, then what will happen? It will be negative in all type of the work. Is that clear or not, student? That's why I am telling. So first of all, believe yourself. Then always be thinking positive. Then past experience. Okay, students. Then another also students. What type of the work? What type of work? Want to do. Okay, students. That means another one is, students, your body language. Your body language. Your body language is also one of the what? It is a very important one which will help to make our self-confidence in our mind. That means your body language, what you want to say, your behavior, all these things have seen about the confidence. Suppose I am speaking something towards the others. The other person, they are judging me, how that person is talking, how looks like, but how the behave towards the other. Yes or no, student? That means you think that one. So before talking with your elders or your neighbors, so first of all you talk in this way, for that people, they will be happy with you. Is that clear? So that's how I am telling body language. That means in which time you are speaking. Just like I am not taking food. What type of communication is this one? That means if someone is standing in front of you, what they do think? You imagine that one. Yes or no, student? They are telling what that person is talking like this. Go like this. Yes or no, student? So create the self-confidence first in yourself. For that, your body language should be good. Your body language should be good. Means you are walking, it should be good. What you talk, it should be good. Your look also should be good. Yes or no, students? Your hairstyle should be good. Not to your any type of the what actors or villains hairstyle. Is that clear or not, students? So, students, another what type of work want to do? Suppose you are doing the work. So, what you want you do the work, but you think that one what? That type of the work will be satisfied by the others. You do that type of the work. If I am sweeping, okay, at my home, that means other people, they will think the what that person is good, and that person is helping to the parents or others. Yes or no, students? That means you do such type of the work. Suppose you clean your home, neat and clean. So all the people, they will think positive towards you. Is that clear? So I am telling that one student to build a self-confidence students. So these type of things are very necessary for making a good self-confidence. Is that clear or not, student? So student, next we will discuss that one is some of the factors that can build a self-confidence. What type of the factors are used for making a good self-confidence? So here there are the three factors to build a self-confidence. There are three factors that build a self-confidence. Is that clear? What is your students? That one is your physical factors. Second one is your students, cultural factors. So students, all these factors are making the self-confidence. Okay, how we will explain one by one. First we come to this one, social factors. First one is social factor. Social student means what? Social means our area, just like our district, just like the neighbor people, just like your village, your block, your state, your country. These are all what? Social. That means we are staying in the social, inside the social. And so many type of the peoples are staying. Some of the rudely people, some of the good people, some of the bad people. That means positive and negative. Some of the people, they are always supporting, cooperating. They are always try to understand to ours. Yes or no, students? So these the social. Okay, student. That means when we are talking with the social person, you keep in your mind in which type of the language they are suitable for us, or we are suitable for us. In the social, different types of the language of the peoples are there, and they are thinking different. Different types of the people thinking differently. What type of the people is thinking, you talk with that people of that thinking. That means for that they will be happy towards you. Is that clear? I am telling that one. So inside the social students, when we are talking with our social person, so first of all you think in which type of the language I talk with them. For that they will be happy with me. Is that clear? The students, the social in our school also our social. And all the students, all the peoples are not good, and all the peoples or students are not bad. If those are thinking the bad, try to talk with them. For that thinking also will be converted to the positive. Okay? Or you learn also so many things from the social also. You imagine, students, so one of my friends, that one was very good, very fine, and when he was completed the BTech, during that career, he was taking so many bad things. Okay, students, after that, gradually, that person, that of my friend, was the what? Decreased day to day. That brain also, study also, behavior also, all these things have changed. That means that type of the people, they are staying in between the social person. If you take the good knowledge from the good person, it will be good. If you are always moving or sharing all these things with the negative people, your mind also will be negative. Yes or no, students? So that is not only the friend case. This is this type of the case also have happened in our country level, state level also, village also. You can see that one. Okay, students. For the social students, take the positive. How to help to build the self-confidence of the social factor. From the social, those are the good person. You just share with them. You talk with them, because you can easily imagine. You can easily think which type of the people are good and which type of the people are bad. Those are the good people. Those people are giving the positive suggestion. You take the suggestion from that type of the person. Try to mix with that people and avoid. Don't be angry on the negative people. Avoid. Talk just tata, bye bye. Yes or no, students? Just like they feel that person is good, they are not talking against ours. Is that clear or no, student? So that is our social. Okay. So student, next one is your what? Cultural factors. From the cultural also our confidence also will be increased. How to be from the cultural. So students, from this social, you take from this social different type of the cultural peoples are staying. That means in that social, in that what area, different types of peoples are staying, different types of the religion. Yes or no? That means different types of religion are they are doing also different types of the our event also. Yes or no, student? That means just like for a Hindu, they have so many type of the functions. Yes or no? You take the Christian, you take the Islam, different culture of the different functions. Okay, students. That means in the cultural factor, students, from the cultural, different types of the religions, different types of the states of the persons are there. And from the cultural student, what will happen, student? If you survey already surveyed that one from the Western country, they are the high self-confidence as compared with the Eastern country, because in the Western country they are doing the individual, but Eastern country they are depending on the grouping. What they want to do, they always do the work but grouping. But in that type of the people and those type of the people are doing the work for the single way. That means if in my family I have the 3 members, that means all the 3 members will do the work single way, independent way. No one will be dependent to another. Is that clear or not? This type of thing will be created in your mind. Then what will happen? The self-confidence will be making automatically. If we think, if this type of the work will be done by the grouping way, it will be problem. How? Students, you think, if what type of the work will be done by the 10 people and all the 10 people are not the same mind. One people will suggest one thing, another people will suggest another thing. Is that clear or not? That means the 10 people will give the 10 minds. They apply the 10 type of the idea they will be applied. It is good, but in some situation it will be bad. How? Okay, students, if they will be doing the work one after another, means in the supporting way or cooperating way, that means all the 10 people are cooperating with each other, then no problem. If any one of the people from the 10 of the people groups, the total groups will be disturbed and it will not be manufactured. Okay, it will be no any type of the manufacture. It will be problem. It will face the problem. It will face the problem. So this type of the problem will happen in our Eastern country. But in the Western country, they are independent. Any one of the people, they are doing the work individually. They are not dependent from the others. Is that clear? That is our cultural factors. That means in our country, different types of the cultural peoples are there. And some people are thinking also, if I do this type of the work, what they think other people, What will they think my colleagues? What will they think my relatives? What will they think my friends? Yes or no, students? That means for that reason we are in the back. If you will not think this type of the thing, yes, I will do this one. I can do. I will try to do. I must do. If you think this type of the statement in your mind, then must have making the self-confidence. Is that clear on the students? So this is our future. Okay, students. The next one is what? Physical factors. Next one is what? Physical factors. So student, for the physical factors also we can easily build our confidence. How? By the exercise way, by yoga, by walking, or any type of the pranayama. If you are doing this type of the thing, your self-confidence will be generated automatically. Another thing, student, for the physical factors, one of the weak person, another one of the strong person. If same work we will give in that two people, that means which people have the more confidence? The strong people. Why? Because the strong people has the what? I have the capability to do this work. But that weak person, if I give the what any physical work in between strong and weak people, that weak people will be in the back and strong people will be in the forward. Yes or no, students? So that's why I am telling you, students. So try to always be exercise. You try to play always. Free in your mind. Don't be any type of the thinking will be keeping in your mind. If you keep in your mind, then what will happen? It will be stress. After it will be stress, then your confidence will be less. Is that clear on the student? The physical, in the physical factor, students, is very important to build a self-confidence out of all the factors. Okay, student. For the physical means, if you are making the good exercise each and every day, try to get up in the morning, early morning. After that, you will practice or do the exercise, yoga or pranayama. From this type of the factors, we can easily make a good confidence. It will be yoga each and every day. Your mind will be totally free. Yes or no? If you are the healthy, you can do any type of the physical work as compared with the weak person. Because in the weak person, what will they do the work after 10 minutes? He is feeling very weak. Then what will happen? So in our culture, they want always the word strong people, strong mind also. If those are the strong people, must be the strong mind. Yes or no? Those are studying the well. They have always the confidence. You can see in the classroom, all the students have not the good confidence. Which type of the students have the good confidence? Those are the reading regularly, practice regularly, then playing always, then always they are taking the food regularly. Means good type of food, not fast food items. Is that just like the roti, rice, all type of the vegetables. Okay, that type of the people, it may happen. What to create the good healthy of your health. Is that clear, student? That's why I am telling student. But the physical factors is very important for build a self-confidence. Okay, the be healthy students, we exercise regularly, yoga regularly, or your pranayama regularly. Then what will happen? One day will come. Those are in the weak in the mind. The time will come, that type of the people are also struggling in the mind. Is that clear? So in this way, students, we have discussed all the factors of the self-confidence. In the next class, we will discuss some of the tips how to build a self-confidence. Okay, students, so read, and if you have doubt, then ask me.